Let's review some basics about electrically excitable cells. There is always more sodium outside the cell than inside. There is always more calcium outside the cell than inside. There is more potassium inside the cell than outside, which is K+. So when the channels for sodium, calcium, and potassium open, sodium will always enter the cell, and calcium will also enter the cell because the movement is down the gradient. Potassium will always leave the cell because there is more potassium on the inside. So sodium is an inflow, calcium is an inflow, and potassium is an outflow. The movement of molecules down the concentration gradient through a channel, as we see here, is facilitated diffusion. So the movement of sodium, calcium, and potassium will be via facilitated diffusion. Now let's review the terms related to an action potential. Here we have an action potential of a neuron. When the voltage goes up, we call it depolarization. And when the voltage goes down, we call it repolarization. When the voltage dips below the resting membrane potential, we call that hyperpolarization. The minimum voltage needed to start an action potential is called the threshold voltage.